Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I want to do a quick video, actually a follow-up on this. This was my original dimmer that I use for controlling the trains. You can get these things at Home Depot, Menards, anywhere. And it's just a cord with a sliding switch and basically a potentiometer with an on-off switch. And it plugs into the power, and then a transformer plugs into it, which basically allows you to run the trains remotely. So I've got the transformer turned all the way up, and we're going to regulate the input going to it, which of course regulates the output coming from it. So on the rail I've got the 8200, as you see, so we can just bring this up, and it gives you infinite control, much more speed control than you can get on the transformer itself. As you can see, you just push it up and increases the power, slow it down, and like I said, you have much better control of speed than you ever have on the transformer itself, because now you're regulating the power going to the transformer, which regulates the power coming from the transformer. This is really, really simple. They're about 10 bucks. As you see, this actually works quite well. It gives you full control of the locomotive remotely. So you can actually walk around within the length of the cord anyway. It's about, I don't know, probably 8 feet long, something like that. It's really inexpensive. And the nice thing about it is it gives you infinite control of the speed. Like I said, much more than you have on the transformer itself. You can get this thing to virtually crawl around the rail. As you see, now you can't do that with the AC transformer. It'll sit there and stall. But as you see, this is running really slow, and this is on AC. It's running on this transformer, in fact. So it's effective, it's really simple, they're really inexpensive. As you see. So you can just set a speed and then just let it run. And it gives you full control of the speed from this little controller. These are really, really simple. And it's just a lamp dimmer. With a cord on it, of course. It isn't wireless. But it works, that's the neat thing about it. Really simple to use. There's no installation at all. You just plug this thing into the wall and then plug your transformer into it. And it has actually a click at the bottom for power off. And when the power is off, the transformer is actually cold. There's no power going to it at all. As you see, its input or output is turned up all the way, and we're now regulating the input going to it with this sliding remote. As you see, it actually works quite well. So this was my original remote, and I used it when I had the floor layout. That way I didn't have to bend over to run the transformer. I could sit in a chair and do it. It works, that's the neat thing about it. And it gives you much better control of the speed than you can ever do on the transformer itself. And you can really, really get this thing to crawl. As you see, I mean, you can really turn this thing down. As you see. And you can't run it this slow on the transformer itself. The control just isn't effective enough to slow it down this much. But since you're adjusting the voltage going to the transformer, it gives you a really, really effective way to control the speed of your trains. As you see, that is running really, really well. And you can stop it. And then the last click at the bottom turns the power completely off, and the transformer remains cold. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on this. It works. They're really, really inexpensive. It has a cord on it, of course, but it is a much better way to control the trains than on the transformer itself. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ at gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.